so. It's fucking dungeons.
Let me...
I think doesn't the Black Mage already have a specific duty finder? If you go into the Blue Mage book and then you go to the duty parts of the
No.
Blue Mage book.
I don't think so. I could be wrong. I would actually take that. Actually, if not, like allow them to go on the duty finder normally. Just give them access to like a Blue Mage duty finder.
Yeah, it's called Party Finder.
Gio,
yeah,
are you on Twitter?
Yeah. Why?
People probably love your opinions on Twitter. Yeah.
Like, yeah, but what I mean is, I shouldn't have to sit in Party Finder to wait. Just give me duty finder.
Then you sit in Duty Finder.
Because Blue Mage is so powerful, I'm going to kick everyone who's not a Blue Mage until I get a Blue Mage, so it's faster.
No. A Blue Mage duty finder.
So you sit in the Duty Finder for 20 minutes to find the Blue Mage group, yeah. What's the difference to Party Finder?
I don't have to talk to anyone.
Yep.
I'd happily take that risk.
I would salute the Blue Mage who managed to level up to 80 with just War Cannon.
Let's get boosted. Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's
Swell.
a bunch of roulettes. I'd also
Further
take.
just.
I got Goldie. Like, I want to savage.
Spread first. Stack left. Front row. Nice. Back row fire. Back on someone. Wind. Let's see. Right side. Go. Long south. Wind.
Yeah.
Left side.
Starfighter's trying to be back for the heals.
So yeah. Limitless. 1 2 3 4 An A2. Holy adjusts. Both reversed. Back row. Stuck. Front row spread. Back row. Fire. Front row ice. Right side. Like what's up to?
Rise it up.
I'll go east. Left side. Long
Like
out.
the north end.
Get left.
Plogar takes south. South green. Feel fad.
The grass. Good job. Remember to
Don't
put in
buff
the
yet.
opener.
Don't buff yet. Don't buff yet.
We will completely reopen. Just full focus.
Okay.
Mechanics first. Mechanics first.
I wish I could have meant this. But I can't because I'm dying.
Do not buff yet.
What?
Huh?
Buff. Sorry, I
Okay,
mean buff now.
yeah. I never figured to call it. It's me.
I'm just fucking.
It's fine,
panicking
don't
right
worry.
now.
Just
I'll feint the first one.
Okay.
Another person.
Yeah, your buffs, then my buff. Try first.
Stay one tick for healing, and then go to your spreads. It's towers. In permits. Next set. Every mid in the game. Fucking pump and kill it. Good job, guys. This is it. Oh, you're way ahead.
Holy shit.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Ah, they just went clean run. Holy shit. Oh.
Congrats, you guys.
Ah. Ah, that's it. That's a good stuff.
And I've got that on stream.
6 fucking months. Fuck my life.
Send us a clip. Send us a clip.
I
I
think
haven't. I can't clip it.
Daryl will make some, don't worry.
Wait, why can't